Very year Americans spend more money buying beauty enhancements than they do on education. Attraction is obviously important, but for a lot of people it's still a mystery. What is it about guys that attracts girls, and what is it about girls that attracts guys? The crazy thing about attraction is that it's a very complex process. In the moment you lock eyes with that cutie, a series of biological fireworks explodes within your body. All of this takes place within just a few seconds, and when it's finished, you're either attracted to the other person or you're not. Some guys and girls, despite their best efforts, have a lot of trouble attracting others. Maybe you've spent the last few years hoping to attract the right person, but nothing ever seems to work out for you. Once you understand the psychological secrets of attraction, it will be much easier to make sure you're pressing all the right buttons and increasing your personal attractiveness. The truth is that you are a diamond, but if you're like most people, you haven't been cut and shaped by the jeweler yet. Today is the day you're going to the jeweler. Did you know that your sense of smell is the strongest sense that is linked to your memory? When recalling an interaction that you had with someone, you're more likely to remember how they smelled than anything else. The other person's nose can even pick up what you've been eating, where you work, and how often you bathe. So if you just left McDonald's and you smell like you've been swimming in fries, it might be a good idea to take a shower before you head out tonight. Another psychological secret of attraction is color, and with the right colors you can instantly increase your attractiveness anytime, anywhere, and around anyone. Close with cold neutral tones make other people feel calm and relaxed. Close with bright colors like red and orange stimulate the other person and can increase the attractiveness of men or women. Ladies, to take advantage of this trick, make sure the clothing is also tight, like a red dress. Show that we are attracted to people who look like our parents. For example, if your mom has blue eyes and blonde hair, and you're a guy, then there's a good chance that you'll be attracted to a girl who has these features. If you are a girl and you have a tall skinny dad, then it's likely that you'll feel attracted to guys with these attributes. So what are some other psychological secrets of attraction? As it turns out, symmetry is a major factor for your perceived attraction, and the better your symmetry, the more attractive you'll be. Another interesting factor: parents' age plays a role in determining who you'll be at when they're interested in mating. According to studies in general, girls with higher-pitched voices have been found to be more desirable than girls with a lower voice. Even something as simple as being hungry can change who a person finds attractive. When you are hungry, you're more likely to be attracted to someone who has a bit more fat on their body than what you're normally attracted to. They say attracted to. If you're a girl with an older dad, you'll be more attracted to older men who have facial creases and less hair. If your parents are younger, then you'll be attracted to someone who is younger. Even the tone of your voice affects your attractiveness, and when girls are attracted to a guy, the tone of their voice automatically goes higher. Beard. What about smiling? We all know that when we're happy we smile, and humans are attracted to happy people. With that said, you'd think smiling would make you more attractive, right? If you're a girl, the answer is yes, smiling will make you more appealing to guys. But if you're a man, you might want to hold off on the smile and instead maintain a serious look. Another interesting fact is that girls' beards are in, and if you're a guy trying to increase your attractiveness, studies have found that girls find guys most attractive with a medium-sized beard. Guys with a full beard are viewed as better fathers and husbands. So if you're looking for an easy way to increase your attractiveness, it might be time to grow to have long legs and big eyes. They designed the girls like this for a reason, and it's because most guys are hardwired to be attracted to these traits because they signal fertility and youth. All humans are designed to seek partners who look reproductively successful and to mimic these traits. Girls can wear mascara, eyeliner and high heels. Physical attractiveness is very important in Studies attracted to guys who show pride in the same way that female chimpanzees are attracted to the alpha male who on his chest while challenging the other males. Girls are psychologically attracted to guys who display pride, and if you're a guy you don't actually have to pound your chest because that would be kind of weird. Have you ever seen Japanese animation and wondered why the girls always seem to? According to some of the latest research, there is such a thing as a universal body type for both men and women as a whole. Men who have a symmetrical body and deep voice are viewed as universally attractive, and the universally attractive female body type is 36-24-36, which refers to the waist-to-hip ratio. If you're a guy, did you know that most women automatically find a man more attractive when he involving over 10,000 people across several different cultures have shown that the most important factor for guys is physical attraction. In other words, if you're a girl and want to attract most guys, it's best to focus on improving and highlighting your physical attributes. It was Aristotle who said, "Personal beauty is a greater recommendation than any letter of reference has a dog." The reasoning behind this is that it takes a certain level of responsibility to care for a dog, and girls find this attractive. The next time you're thinking about hitting the beach to meet that special girl, don't forget to bring your canine companion and you get bonus points if the dog is also good looking. Another interesting fact: studies show that guys are more concerned with girls. According to some of the latest research, there is such a thing as a universal body type for both men and women as a whole. Men who have a symmetrical body and deep voice are viewed as universally attractive, and the universally attractive female body type is 36-24-36, which refers to the waist-to-hip ratio. If you're a guy, did you know that most women automatically find a man more attractive when if you're a girl and you're 20 pounds overweight, men will perceive you as being significantly less attractive than a girl who's only a few pounds overweight. This is great news for girls who want to become more attractive, because all you need to do is start dieting and exercising. Oftentimes psychological attraction seems like a mystery, but with the right information it's an easy code to crack. Girls wait, and girls are more concerned about a man's height. All you sure guys out there, just grab a pair of stilts and hide them under an extra long pair of pants and you'll be good to go. The studies also show that the standards for beauty are pretty strict, because if you're just 1 inch shorter than the average height and you're a guy, you'll have a harder time getting a date. Ever wondered why everyone seems to be more attractive when you're drunk? According to studies, drunk people find others more attractive because the alcohol makes them less likely to notice the lack of symmetry in the other person's face. Another psychological secret of attraction is that girls find guys with abdominal fat less attractive because it's a sign of lower fertility, and as it turns out, girls are more attracted to guys who have a hunting physique, which consists of a broad chest, strong shoulders and narrow waist. What about smells? What types of smells make girls attracted to guys? And studies show that girls who smell like pumpkin and lavender scents are more attractive to men, and men who smell like black licorice or cucumbers are more attractive to girls. Have you consistently scored higher for attractiveness than others? There is a saying that you can't love someone else until you love yourself, and narcissists fit this profile very well. The psychology of attraction can be fascinating, and a lot of people want to be more attracted, but they don't understand that several small improvements can make a huge difference. Studies show that girls prefer guys who have and libido. Did you know that most people find narcissists more attractive than other people? If you've ever seen any of the Iron Man movies, then you already know what a narcissist is, although these individuals are frequently frowned upon by society. Studies have found that most people find them very attractive when Evaluated during speed dating situations. Narcissists. To make yourself more attractive to others. With that said, until next time. Thanks for watching. Less body hair, and as the amount of hair on your chest increases, the more your attractiveness decreases. For all the guys out there, a quick buzz or laser hair removal can significantly increase your attractiveness, and at the end of the day, the psychology behind attraction might seem mysterious, and although it's a very complex process, there are many steps that you can take